Welcome to ABC Grab-and-Go on-demand webcast. Today's presentation, C2045 Driver's Glass Replacement. This glass is a glued-in piece. The basic replacement procedures will carry over to other glued-in pieces of Van Hool coaches. To replace the driver's glass in the C2045, here are some of the basic tools that you will need. A new piece of glass, black urethane, scaffolding, air knife, glass suction cups, 2-inch masking tape, disposable shop towels, cleaning solvent, and hand tools. Before beginning, ensure that the replacement glass is correct before starting the procedure. Begin by removing the driver's side exterior rear view mirror. Care should be taken not to damage the remote control heater wiring harness. From the interior of the coach, remove the interior trim from all 4 sides of the driver's upper glass. These trim parts will be reused, so make sure you carefully remove them. On the outside of the coach, apply 2-inch masking tape to the body around the 4 sides of the stationary glass. Do not apply tape to the glass itself. With the air knife, begin cutting the urethane sealer between the glass and the body. Working around the back post, across the top, and down the front post. Continue down the front post and back across the lower glass edge above the sliding vent window. Now all 4 sides of the glass should be cut free. Move to the coach interior. Again with the air knife, begin cutting the urethane sealer from the 4 sides of the glass. Make one final pass with the air knife around all 4 sides to make sure the urethane is completely cut. Have an assistant on the exterior of the coach secure a suction cup to the glass. From the interior of the coach, apply outward pressure while the assistant is pulling on the suction cup. Closely inspect the interior sealing areas to make sure that all the urethane has been cut. As the window is being pulled away, it might be necessary to make additional cuts in the urethane to free up the glass. With the suction cup still attached, we are now able to remove the glass assembly from the vehicle. Apply 2-inch masking tape around the outer edge of the new glass assembly. With the suction cup attached, dry fit the new glass into the window opening. Make sure to center it on all 4 sides. Pay special attention to the vertical position of the glass. If it is too low in the opening, small non-metallic shims may have to be installed on the lower frame. The glass will rest on these shims. Once the dry fitting has taken place and the thickness of the shims is determined, it will be necessary to glue them in place. Rear and front shims on the lower frame may be of different thicknesses. It is also necessary to determine how deep the glass sits in the frame opening. Additional trimming of the leftover urethane may be required in order to make sure the glass fits flush with the other glasses in the panel. Once the shims are glued in place, dry fit the window in the frame one more time. It is not necessary to remove all the old urethane from the frame. Remove enough to provide a uniform fit of the new glass. If the gap around all 4 sides is uniform, the glass can now be installed. From the outside of the coach, apply a uniform bead of urethane to all 4 sides of the glass opening. Make sure that there are no gaps in the bead. Have a disposable towel handy ready for possible cleanup. Insert the new piece of glass into the opening. Insert the lower edge of the glass first into the opening. Take care to make sure that the lower edge of the glass is resting on the shims if applied. Push the top edge of the glass into position. At the inside upper rear portion of the glass, attach an additional suction cup. Tie a rope to the handle of the suction cup and tie the other end to the modesty panel or other secure points in the coach interior. This will stabilize the glass while the urethane is curing. Note, do not over-tighten the rope as breakage of the glass could result. With rows of masking tape positioned as shown, apply additional urethane to the four sides of the glass, filling the entire gap. This will ensure a completely flush finish to the bead area. With a squeegee, smooth out the excessive urethane material. This will spill out into the masking tape as shown. Continue around all four sides of the glass. Make sure that the excessive urethane does not fall on any other parts of the coach. Return to the interior and remove any excessive urethane with disposable towels and solvent. Do not allow solvent to contact plastic trim on the interior. After the urethane has been flattened all around, remove the masking tape. Do not wait too long to remove the tape as the urethane begins to harden. The tape will not provide a nice clean finish. Care should be taken while removing the masking tape to not allow any excessive urethane to contact any painted areas. This will leave a nice flush seam between the glasses and the body panel. Install the interior trim panels around the glass frame on the inside. Reinstall the driver's side rearview mirror. Reattach the remote control wire harness. Verify the mirror functions operate properly. The glass installation is now complete. ABC's customer care department also offers technical service support 24/7, 365 days of the year. Contact us at 877-427-7278. Listen for the prompts for coach technical support and select the appropriate option. Support is available at this number 24/7.